Wondering if your Spectrum modem is holding you back? Here's how to tell if it's time for an upgrade. First, check your internet speed. If you're paying for a plan of 100 or higher but consistently get speeds below 50 megabit per second, your modem is likely the bottleneck. Also, consider compatibility. Spectrum's 500 megabit per second and 1 gigabit per second plans require DOCSIS 3.1 or 4.0 modems. Older DOCSIS 3.0 models simply can't handle these speeds. Keep an eye on Spectrum's announcements. As of July 2025, new installations in many areas default to DOCSIS 4.0 modems, with DOCSIS 3.0 being phased out in urban regions by 2027. A quick check. If your modem was made before 2018, or if it doesn't support DOCSIS 3.1, it's very likely outdated. Finally, a good place to check your modem's compatibility is via MAC address lookup on Spectrum's website. Regularly check to ensure you have the best possible performance. Understanding DOCSIS is crucial for modem performance. DOCSIS has evolved significantly over time. DOCSIS 3.0, launched in 2006, supports speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. DOCSIS 3.1, released in 2013, enables up to 10 gigabit per second theoretically. DOCSIS 4.0, gaining traction in 2025, supports symmetrical speeds up to 10 gigabit per second. Here's a comparison of DOCSIS 3.0 and 3.1 capabilities. If you're on a gigabit plan and have a DOCSIS 3.0 modem, you're not getting the speeds you're paying for. Spectrum offers modem rentals, but buying a certified modem from Eris or Netgear can save money long-term. To replace, check Spectrum's approved modem list. Consider models like Eris Surfboard or Netgear CM500. Ensure your new modem supports your plan's speed tier and consider future-proofing with Wi-Fi 6 or 7 routers. Keep in mind that modems age out due to technological advancements, so regular checks every 2 to 3 years are recommended. Don't forget to utilize your modem's web interface by typing in the IP address in your browser, usually 192.168.100.1, and checking for high latency or packet loss. This will help you determine if your modem is outdated and needs replacing.